Hello everyone. Now we are going to start most important topic of this chapter, index number. Okay, always question of this type of question is asking in university exam. Our next topic is LASPEYRE'S, Fisher's, DORBISH, Pauli's, and MARSHAL Asworth's index number. So let us start our this video with formula of LASPEYRE, Fisher, Bowley, and Marshall's index number. Okay, first we learn formula of LASPEYRE, Fisher, Bowley and Marshall's index number. We are starting with LASPEYRE'S index number. LASPEYRE'S formula is sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 into 100. Okay. Similarly, PAASCHE'S index number P is equals to sigma P1Q1 upon sigma P0Q1 multiplied by 100. Okay, now remember that these two formulas are very important for this topic. Okay, for these two formula, LASPEYRE and PAASCHE, always write L equal to sigma PQ upon sigma PQ. Okay, similarly PAASCHE P equal to sigma PQ upon sigma PQ, both multiplied by 100. Remember one magical number for formulas. For LASPEYRE it is 1000. Putting 1000 here, 10000. Okay, and we will get our formula. Similarly for PAASCHE'S index number, remember 1101. Okay, and we will get formula of PAASCHE. So remember, always remember these two numbers respectively 1000 and 1101. Okay. Now, our next formula is also very important. Fisher's index number is denoted by F, and F is equal to under root of LASPEYRE and PAASCHE, L into P. It is also known as geometric mean of LASPEYRE and PAASCHE, and sometimes it can be also written as sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 multiplied by sigma P1Q1 upon sigma P0Q1. It is nothing but formulas of LASPEYRE and PAASCHE, and 100 into 100 equal to 100 square. એટલે આપણે under root ની બહાર multiplied by 100. Okay. Next formula is Bowley's index number. B is equals to arithmetic mean of LASPEYRE and PAASCHE, L plus P by 2. હવે નંબર યાદ રાખી લઈએ તો આપણને ટોટલ 1 2 3 4 formulas યાદ રહી જાય વિશે. And Marshall's index number also depend on LASPEYRE and PAASCHE. See, what is formula of Marshall? Marshall's index number, Marshall-Asworth's index number is equals to sigma P1 multiplied by Q0 plus Q1 divided by sigma P0 into Q0 plus Q1 into 100. Okay, now open this bracket, multiply sigma P1 with this bracket, and we will get sigma P1Q0 plus sigma P1Q1 divided by sigma P0Q0 plus sigma P0Q1 multiplied by 100. Okay, you can also remember this formula as this is LASPEYRE'S formula. Say P1Q0 1000, and this is PAASCHE'S formula. Okay, but you have to be careful while writing Marshall's formula. So let us start our sums based on LPB and M, LPFB and M. So here is our first sum. Compute LASPEYRE, PAASCHE'S, Fisher's, DORBISH, Bowley's, and Marshall-Asworth's index number for the following data. Commodity is given by ABCD, base year, price quantity, current year price quantity. Okay, always remember that base year equals to always 0, always taken as 0, and current year is always taken as 1. Similarly, price is taken as P and quantity by Q. So we can say that this is P0. This column indicate E0. This column indicate Q0. This column indicate current year means 1 and price for P1, and this is Q1. Okay. So we have to prepare our table for calculation. So here is our table for a solution. First of all, write down question. First column is commodity. Commodity is given by respectively A, B, C, and D. Okay, and last row is of total. Now base year's price is denoted by P0. P0 is given by 3754. 3754. Then by Q0, quantity of base year is given by Q0, 18, 20, 24 and 19. 24 and 19. Now current year's price is known as P1. P1 is 61085, 61085, and quantity of current year is denoted by Q1. Q1 is 25, 15, 30 and 20. Okay. Now for a solution, we have to prepare 4 columns respectively PQ, PQ, PQ and PQ. Okay. Now applying our two magical numbers 1000. First of all 1000, 1000, 0, and then by 1101, 1101, 1101. Okay, and we will get our columns. આપણે હંમેશા 4 columns પાસે લખવાનું PQ, PQ, then by our two numbers. Okay, now product P1. This is P1. This is P1 and Q0. Q0 means this column. Okay, we have to multiply these two columns. Okay, first 18 into 6. It gives us 108, 108. Then by 10 into 20, 200. 24 into 8. Sorry, into 8, 192. And 19 fives are 19 fives are 95. Okay, last માં આપણે એક સાથે total કરશું બધા. Then by P0 Q0. This is P0. This is P0 and this is Q0. Okay, we have to find product of these two columns. 18 threes are 54. 7 twos are 14, 140. Then by 24 into 5, 120. 24 into 5, 120. 19 into 4, 76. Okay, now P1 Q1. P1 Q1 means product of these two columns. Product of last two columns. 25 into 6, 150. 15 into 10, 150. 30 into 8, 240. 22 into 5 gives us 110. 110. Okay, now product of P0 and Q1. P0, this is P0 and this is Q1. Okay, multiply these two columns. 3 into 6. Sorry, not P1, this is Q0. We have to multiply with Q0. Sorry. 3 into 25, 75. Then by 7 into 15, 105. 5 into 30, 150. 4 into 22, 88. Okay, now find out total of all 4 columns. First 108 plus 200 and 195. It becomes 395 plus 95. 598 is total. 598. Now P0 Q0. Total of P0 Q0 54 plus 140 plus 120 plus 76. 390. Total is 390. Now next column 150, 150. 300, 300 plus 240. 300 plus 200. 500, 540 plus 110. 540 plus 110. 650. And now last column 75 plus 105, it is 180, plus 150 plus 88, 418. Okay. Now after preparing our table, find out all four index number. Our first index number is LASPEYRE'S index number. L is equals to sigma P1Q0 upon sigma P0Q0 multiplied by 100. Okay. And it is equals to તમારે આ રીતે નીચે લખવાનું પેપરમાં આપણે અહીંયા આમ એક લાઈનમાં લખશું P1Q0. See, P1Q0 is 598 divided by 390 multiplied by 100. Okay, what is our answer? 598 divided by 390 multiplied by 100. It is 153.33. 153.33. Okay, so check the 152.6. There is some mistake. Wait, let me check. Okay, see here we done one mistake. 24 into 8, it is actually 192 and I am writing 195. 192. Okay, so what is new total? 108 plus 392 plus 95. It is 595. Total is 595. Okay, now substitute 595 instead of 598. 595. And what is, let us check our answer. 595 divided by 390 multiplied by 100. It is equals to 152.56, and here 6 is given. It is okay. At lower our share 152.56. 152.56. Okay, now next index number is of PAASCHE'S index number. See, what is formula of PAASCHE'S index number? E is equals to sigma P1Q1 upon sigma P0Q1 multiplied by 100. Okay, and easily remember that first column divided by second column is LASPEYRE'S, third column divided by fourth column is PAASCHE. 650 upon 418 multiplied by 100, and we will get 650 divided by 418 into 100, 155.5. 155.5. Okay, see what is PAASCHE'S answer? 155.5. There is some mistake in LASPEYRE'S index number or LASPEYRE'S answer. Okay, now find out Fisher's index number. See, now we don't need this total. Fisher's index number, F is equals to under root of L into P. LASPEYRE into PAASCHE. It is equals to under root of 152.56 multiplied by 155.5. Okay, multiply both the amount and taking under root of this amount. 152.56 multiplied by 155.5. It gives us 23,723.08, and taking under root of this number 154.02 is answer. 152.02 is Fisher's index number. Okay, now find out Bowley's index number. Bowley's index number is equals to arithmetic mean L plus P by 2. And it is equals to 152.56 plus 155.5 divided by 2. Okay, and it is equals to 152 plus 56. Sorry, 152 plus 152.56 plus 155.5. It gives us 308.06 divided by 2 equal to 154.03. 154.03. Okay, and now Marshall's index number, M is equals to, see how to remember formula of Marshall. Sigma, see first draw a straight line. Okay. Now write down last pair's index number first. How to remember this formula? Okay. There is lots of way. There are lots of way to remember this formula, but this is very easy. Sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0. First write down last pair's index number. Then I put down plus sign. Now write down PAASCHE'S index number. Sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100. Okay. And you can also remember that first column plus third column divided by second column plus last column. Okay. એ રીતે પણ આપણે યાદ રાખી શકીએ. Okay. So first column is 595. 595 plus third column is 650. Odd columns, total of odd columns divided by total of even columns. 390 plus 418 multiplied by 100. Okay, and it is equals to, first of all find out total. 595 plus 600. Okay, 600 था 650. It is 650, not 600. 650. 650. Okay, for the 595 plus 650 equal to 1245. 1245 divided by 390 plus 418. 808 into 100. Okay, and we will get Marshall's index number equal to 1245 divided by 808 into 100 equal to 154.08. 154.08. This is our answer of LASPEYRE'S, PAASCHE'S, Fisher, Bowley and Marshall's index number. Okay, let us start our second sum for calculation of same index numbers. This is our second sum. For the following data, compute LASPEYRE'S, PAASCHE'S, Fisher, DORBISH and Bowley's and Marshall adverse index number for the year 2017, taking 2014 as base year. See here, current year and base year is not given, but when 2 years are given, small year is always taken as base year. This is our base year and this is our current year. નાનું વર્ષ હોય એને હંમેશા અથવા તો જૂનું વર્ષ હોય એને હંમેશા બેઝ યર તરીકે લેવાનું. ઓકે, ચાલો તો આપણે ટેબલ બનાવી નાખીએ પહેલા. So here is our table. First write down our question item or commodities જે આપ્યું હોય તે item A B C D E. A B C D E and last column is of total. Now 2014 is taken as 0. Price means P0. P0 574 574 10 and 15 10 15. Okay, now quantity is Q0. Q0 40 15 10 4 3 10 4 and 3. Now price 17 is denoted by 1. Price P1 is equals to 9 11 8 9 11 8 16 and 20 16 20. Now Q1 quantity of current year or 17 50 25 12 6 and 5. Okay, remember that. આવી રીતે ઓર્ડરમાં દરેક વખતે આપે એવું જરૂરી નથી, બરાબર. ઘણીવાર કરંટ યર આગળ હોય, બેઝ યર આગળ પાછળ હોઈ શકે, but for answer we have to prepare our 4 columns in order of PQ 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 and PQ. Always write 4 times PQ, then by applying our number 1 0 0 0 11 0 1. Okay, તો આ જ રીતે આપણું ટેબલ બનાવવાનું છે દરેક વખતે. ચલો તો P1 Q0, this is P1 and this is Q0. Multiply these 2 columns. Okay, 40 into 9 360. 15 into 11 15 into 11, it gives us 165. 165. 80, 16 fours are 64 and 3 twos are 660. Okay, now find out total. 165 plus 360 plus 80 plus 64 plus 60. 729. 729. Let us check again this total. 360 plus 165. 165 plus 80 plus 64 plus 60. 729 is okay. Okay. Now, next column is P0, Q0. Find total of product of these two columns, P0 and Q0. Okay, 5 fours are 20, 200, and by 7 into 15, 105, 4 into 10, 40, 10 into 4 is also 40, and 15 threes are 45. Okay, now find out total. 200 plus 105 is 305. 305 plus 80 plus 45, 430. Okay, now find P1, Q1. This is P1 and Q1. Find out P1 and Q1. 9 into 5, 450. 450. 11 into 25. 11 multiplied by 25. 275. 8 into 12. 96. 16 into 6, 96. Also 20 into 5, it is 100. Find out total. 450 plus 275 plus 96 plus 96 plus 100. 1017. 1017. Okay. Now P0 and Q1. This is P0 and this is Q1. First column and last column. Okay. 5 into 50, 250. 7 into 25. 175. 4 into 12. 48. 10 into 660. And 15 fives are 75. Okay. Now find out total. 250 plus 175 plus 48 plus 60 plus 75. 608 is total. 608. Okay, now we have to calculate index number of LASPEYRE'S, PAASCHE'S, Fisher, MARSHAL, Bowley, and MARSHAL, Bowley. Okay, sorry. First, LASPEYRE'S index number. L equal to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. It is equals to 729 divided by 430 into 100. Okay, it is equals to 729 divided by 430 into 100. 169.53. 169.53. Let us check our answer. It is 169.53. Okay. Now PAASCHE'S index number. P equals to sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100. Total of third column 1017 divided by total of last column 608 into 100. Okay, now find out total. Solution 1017 divided by 608 into 100. 167.27. 167.27. 167.27 is PAASCHE'S index number. Okay, આ બે સાચા હોય તો આગળ બધા સાચા હોય. બરાબર છે? Now find out Fisher's index number. Fisher's index number is equals to under root of L into P. It is equals to under root of LASPEYRE'S index number 169.53 multiplied by 167.26 and it is equals to, see what is our answer, 169.53 into 167.26, and under root of 28,355 is 168.39. 168.39. Okay, now find out Bowley's index number, Dorbish and Bowley's index number, L plus P by last pair 169.53 plus 167.26 divided by 2, and it is equals to 169.53 plus 167.26 divided by 2. 168.39 is equals to 40. 168.4 or 40. Okay. Now in last we have to find Marshall's index number. Marshall's index number is sigma P1 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1. ડાયરેક્ટલી યાદ રહી જાય તો બેટર છે, બાકી આગળના સમમાં આપણે જે રીતે લખ્યું તો એ રીતે તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું. સિગ્મા P0 Q0 પ્લસ સિગ્મા P0 Q1 into 100. It is equals to, ચાલો તો આના માટે ટોટલ જોઈશું આપણે ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ પ્લસ થર્ડ કોલમ, 729 plus 1017. 729 plus 1017 divided by second and third, 430 608. 430 plus 608 multiplied by 100. Okay, now it is equals to, total of numerator is 729 plus 1017, 1746 divided by 430 plus 608, 1038 into 100, and it is equals to, okay, let us find last answer, 1746 divided by 1038 into 100, 168.21. 168.21. Okay, so I hope કે તમને સિમ્પલ ટાઈપના સમ્સ સમજાઈ ગયા હશે લાસ્ટ પેર પાસે ફિશરના. ચાલો તો એકાદ બે સમ આપણે એડવાન્સ લેવલના લઈએ. Our next sum is compute last pairs, Paasches, Fisher, Dorbish and Bowley's and Marshall as was index number for the following data. Okay, commodities are given by A to E, then by 2014 and 2017. Again 2014 taken as base year and 17 is taken as current year. See, rate per unit is P. Okay, price per unit means rate per unit, it is P0, but it is not Q0, it is total expenditure. So we have to find Q0 from total expenditure. Okay, let me take one example. Price of 1 unit is 8 rupees. Price of 1 unit is 8 rupees and you are paying total 80 rupees. You are paying total 80 rupees. Then how many items you will get? So 80 divided by 8. Obviously we will get 10 items, means quantity is equals to 10. ખ્યાલ આવ્યો કે એક વસ્તુનો ભાવ 8 રૂપિયા છે અને તમે 80 રૂપીસ પે કરો છો દુકાનદારે. માની લો કે તમે પેન લેવા ગયા. You are purchasing one pen of rupees 8 each. તો એક પેનનો ભાવ છે 8 રૂપિયા. તમે બુક સ્ટોલ વાળાને ટોટલ 80 રૂપીસ પે કર્યા, તો તમને ટોટલ પેન કેટલી મળી હશે? તો કે 10 પેન્સ. તમે 10 પેન પરચેસ કરો તો થાય 80 રૂપીસ. તો we have to find Q0 from total expenditure, and same procedure here, rate per unit and total expenditure. Okay, so let us prepare our table first. First column is of commodities. Okay, write down commodities A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D and E. And last column is of total. Okay, now 2014 means base year. Rate per unit means price per unit. It is P0. Okay, P0 is already given by 8, 10, 5, 2, 4. 8, 10, 5, 2 and 4. Okay, now we have to find quantity. So Q0 equal to, can we write total expenditure divided by P0 and we will get Q0. તો ટોટલ ખર્ચ આપણો જે એક્સપેન્ડિચર મીન્સ ખર્ચ 80 રૂપીસ તમે પે કરો 8 યુનિટ્સ મળે તો 80/8 એટલે ટોટલ ક્વોન્ટિટી કેટલી થશે 10. તો આપણે એવી ફોર્મ્યુલા બનાવી નાખીએ કે એક્સપેન્ડિચર ટોટલ એક્સપેન્ડિચર ડિવાઇડેડ બાય P0. So 80/8 equal to what? It is 10. So quantity is 10 units. 30/10 equal to 3 units. 25/5 is equals to 5 units. 8/2 is equals to 4 units. And 20/4 is equals to 5. Okay, so how to find Q0? બરાબર ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો. Now a rate per unit of 2017 is denoted by P1 12 14 5 6 6 5 6 and 6. Okay, now again expenditure of current year. Find out Q1 from expenditure of current year. I am writing only E upon P0, sorry, P1. Okay, E means expenditure. તમારે થોડી સ્પેસ બનાવીને લખવાનું. આખું ન લખાય તો EXP એટલું લખો તો પણ ચાલશે. expenditure. ચલો 144 divided by 12. 144/12 is equals to 12. તો તમે ટોટલ દુકાનદારને 144 રૂપિયા પે કર્યા. You are paying 144 rupees and price of 1 unit is 12 rupees. So obviously તમને કેટલા units મળ્યા હશે તો કે 12 units. 42/14. 42/14 is equals to 3. 30/5 is equals to 6. 36/6 6 and 36/6 is equals to also 6. Put in dash here. Okay, now our 4 columns. ચાલો આપણા 4 column જે દરેક વખતે બનાવીએ છીએ તે PQ 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 and PQ. 1000 1101. Okay, now product P1. Where is P1? This is P1 and Q0 means this is Q0. Product of these two columns. 12 into 10 it is 120. 14 into 3 42. 5 into 5 25. 4 into 6 24 and 5 into 6 30. Okay, now find out total. 120 plus 42 plus 25 plus 24 plus 30. It is equals to 241. 241. Okay, now find out P0 into Q0. This is P0 into Q0. Okay, 8 into 10 80. 10 into 3 30. 5 into 5 25. 2 into 4 8. 4 into 5 20. Okay, now find total. 80 plus 30 it is 110 plus 25 plus 8 plus 20. 163. Total is 163. Okay, now P1 into Q1. Wait. P1 into Q1. And this is P1 and Q1. Find out product of these two columns. 12 into 12 144. Remember that P1 Q1 we will get our total expenditure. आज આપણને મળે આખો column મેળવી લે. P0 Q0 is our also total expenditure because expenditure means what? ખર્ચ. તો ખર્ચ કઈ રીતે થાય તો કે price into quantity. જેટલા price per unit હોય અને જેટલી quantity હોય બેને multiply કરો તો total expenditure. તો P0 Q0 P1 Q1 તો આપણે find કરવાની જરૂર જ નથી. બરાબર ને? આ ભૂલથી મળી ગયું. But putting here 144 42 30 36 and 36. Okay, find total of this column. 144 plus 42 plus 30 plus 70 288 288. Okay, now P0 into Q1. P0, this is P0 and this is Q1. P0 Q1. Okay, 8 into 12 96. 10 into 3 30. 5 into 5 25. 4 into 5 20. 1 into 4 8. 4 into 4 16. 4 into 4 24. 4 into 4 24 26. 4 into 4 24 28. 4 into 4 24 29. 4 into 4 24 30. 4 into 4 24 31. 4 into 4 24 32. 4 into 4 24 33. 4 into 4 24 34. 4 into 4 24 35. 4 into 4 24 36. 4 into 4 24 37. 4 into 4 24 38. 4 into 4 24 39. 4 into 4 24 40. 4 into 4 24 41. 4 into 4 24 42. 4 into 4 24 43. 4 into 4 24 44. 4 into 4 24 45. 4 into 4 24 46. 4 into 4 24 47. 4 into 4 24 48. 4 into 4 24 49. 4 into 4 24 50. 4 into 4 24 51. 4 into 4 24 52. 4 into 4 24 53. 4 into 4 24 54. 4 into 4 24 55. 4 into 4 24 5 into 6, 30. 2 into 6, 12, and 4 into 6, 24. Okay, now find total. 96 plus 30, 30, 60 plus 36 is 190. Okay, now remaining process is common, find last pair, partial, Fisher, Marshall, and Paul's index number. First, we are finding last pair's index number. L equal to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100. It is equals to 241 divided by 163 into 100, and it is equals to 241 divided by 163 into 100. Sorry, mistake. 241 divided by 163 into 100. 147.85. 147.85. Let us check our answer. Yes, it is 147.85 and P is 150. Remember, P is 150. Okay, now find Pasch's index number. P is equals to sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100. It is equals to 288. Third column 288 upon 192. 192 into 100. चलो चेक करो तो 150 आंसर हो जाइए 288 by 192 into 100 150. Yes, it is also correct, 150. Okay, now find out Fisher's index number. So Fisher's index number is equals to f equal to under root of last pair into Pasch's index number. So it is equals to L at 150 तो से into sorry अपन पहला लखीना के under root of 147.85 into 150. It is equals to 150 multiplied by 147.85. Okay, and under root of this amount is 148.92. 148.90. Okay, now Paul's index number P is equals to L plus P upon 2. Last pair's index number 147.85. Pasch's index number 150 divided by 2. And it is equals to so 147.85 plus 150 by 2 equal to 148.93. 148.93. And now Marshall's index number. Marshall's index number is equals to M is equals to sigma P1 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q0 into 100 equal to total of odd columns. Chalo 241 plus 288, 241 plus 288 divided by total of even columns 163, 192. 163 plus 192, sorry, 192 into 100. Okay, now find out solution. 241 plus 288 is 529 divided by 163 plus 192, 355 into 100, and it is equals to 529 divided by 355 into 100, 149.01. 149.01 is our answer. Okay, let us take one more example. Our next sum is compute last pair's, Pasch's, Fisher's, Dorbish, Bowley's, and Marshall's index number for the following data. See what is different. uh, this sum in compare of last sum. First of all, 2014 and 2017 respectively 0 and 1 base year, and this is current year. Consumption is given here. Consumption means what? Q. Consumption એટલે શું થાય તો કે જે આપણી વપરાશ કેટલી થાય તો કે જેટલી આપણી પાસે પેલું હોય જથ્થો means quantity હોય એટલું જ consumption થાય. Okay, and total expenditure is given. Okay? In previous sum, price per unit and total expenditure is given. Okay, so consumption is taken as Q. It is also Q, Q1 and Q0. But here we have to find P0 and P1. See how to find P0. How to find P0. See, you are paying 320 rupees. 320 rupees for 80 items. So what is the rate of 1 unit? 0 cancel out. It is 4 rupees. So P0 is 4 rupees. Okay. So the total expenditure upon Q0 we will get P0. Okay. Let's prepare our table. Okay, now write down our question first. Item A, B, C. A, B, and C. Here we have to put total. Now, consumption of 2014 is Q0. Q0 is given by 80, 20, and 15 respectively. Now we have to find P0. P0 equal to total expenditure divided by Q0. આવી રીતે ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે એક્ઝામમાં આ ટાઈપનો સમ આવતો નથી, બટ આવ્યો હોય તો આ રીતે પુટ કરવાનો. So 320 by 80 is equals to 4. 50 upon 20 is equals to 2.5. 375 divided by 15, it gives us 25. Okay, then by this is Q1. Q1 is 130, 30 and 20. Okay, now find P1. P1 is equals to total expenditure divided by Q1. Okay, so 676 divided by 130 is equals to 5.2. 5.2. Then by 99 divided by 30. 99 by 30, 3.3. 3.3 and 640 upon 20, 0 cancel out, 32. It is 30. Okay. Now prepare our 4 columns. P1 Q0. પછી યાદ રહી જાય એટલે ડાયરેક્ટ બનાવી નાખવાના બરાબર. P0 Q0, P1 Q1 and P0 Q1. Okay, now product. P1 Q0. P1 Q0. This is P1 and this is Q0. 80 into 5.2. 80 into 5.2. 416. 20 into 3.3 equal to 66. 15 into 30. 32. Sorry. 15 into 32. 35, 32. 480. And total is 480 plus 66 plus 416. 962. 960. P0 Q0. P0 into P0 means product of these two columns. 80 into 4, 320. તો ઓલરેડી આપણને જે આપેલું હોય P0 Q0 expenditure is લખી નાખવાનું 320, 50, 370. Okay. P1 Q1. P1 Q1 equal to total expenditure. P1 Q1 આપણે એને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો એટલે આ આન્સર આવશે 676, 99 and 640. Okay, now P0 into Q1. This is P0 into Q1. Okay. 13 in 130 into 4. 520. 2.5 into 3. 75, 30. Sorry. 75. 20 into 25, 500. Okay, find out totals. 320 plus 50 plus 375. 745. P1 Q1 640 plus 99 plus 676 1415 and 520 plus 500 1020 plus 75 1095 1095. Okay, now calculate last pair Paasche, Fisher, Bowley and Marshall's index number. First we calculating last pair's index number. L is equals to sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into 100, and it is equals to 962 upon 745 into 100 equals to 962 divided by 745 into 100, 129.13. 129.13. Then by Paasche's index number E equal to sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100 equal to 1415 divided by last column 1095 into 100 equals to 1415 divided by 1095 into 100, 129.22. 129.22. Let us check our answer first. 129.13, 129.22. Okay, now, Fisher's index number is equals to L plus P by 2. Sorry. Or is index number under root L into P equals to under root of 129.13 into 129.22. Approximately 129 જ આવશે બરાબર બંનેમાં છે એટલે 129.13 into 129.22 and under root is 129.17. 129.17. Okay, now Bowley's index number equal to B is equals to L plus P by 2 equal to 129.13 plus 129.22 divided by 2, and it is equals to 129.13 plus 129.22 divided by 2, 129.18. 129.18. Okay, and now in last Marshall's index number, M is equals to sigma P1 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P0 Q1 into 100 equals to total of odd columns 962 1415. 962 plus 1415 divided by total of even columns 745 1095. 745 plus 1095 into 100, and it is equals to first total of numerator 962 plus 1415 2377 upon 745 plus 1095. It is equals to 1840 into 100 equals to 2377 divided by 1840 into 100, 129.18. 129.18. Okay, so I hope કે તમને આ મેથડ આખી ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે how to calculate last pair Paasche Fisher's and Marshall and Bowley's index number. See, one more method is remaining in last pair Paasche Fisher. આપણે શોર્ટમાં LPFBM બોલશું. that is unit changing method, but આપણી યુનિવર્સિટીમાં એ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછતા નથી એટલે એ ટાઈપના આપણે सम्स બનાવતા નથી. આમ તો ટોટલ એક્સપેન્ડિચર વાળા સમ પણ અત્યાર સુધી પૂછાતા નથી. ચાલો તો વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે આપણે તમે સમજી જશો એવી આશા રાખું છું. ચાલો, we will meet in next lecture.